This was my Christmas present I asked for, and it is called Peace of Mind. So I'm going to call it Palm. And yeah, it's going to be our peace of mind because we have those freezers full of meat. We don't want them to go bad. And the gas and kerosene, so we can keep those running and we can keep ourselves warm. So you just need to think about what you can do, what you need to be doing just in case. The just in case scenario is more or less what we are prepping for. Because, yeah, we could go through this storm, we could not get any snow, or we could get, the maximum amount of snow out of this storm. But the peace of mind knowing that I'm going to be warm if the electric goes out, and the peace of mind knowing that the food is going to be safe if the electric goes out. Anything can happen. It doesn't even have to be storm related, your electric goes out. You have somebody, driving down the road and they lose control of their vehicle and they hit a power pole, your electric can go out. And depending on how bad the roads are, would be depending on how fast they could get it back on for you. So you always got to be a step ahead and think it through. So we do, in fact, have a winter storm headed our way. We're supposed to get anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of snow. And today I'm just prepping things, getting prepared. It's supposed to start around lunchtime. But today we still want to till in the tunnel, so that's what we're going to do. First, the feeding. But finally, I got the cream, we got the snow, whoa, 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 we got the snow. Okay, now I gotta find my snow shovel. Listen, it's just peaceful, quiet. All the animals are super quiet, not a sound. Gotta check the tunnel. Get the snow off the tunnel. I've been tilling in it today. Got a lot done. Gotta find the new snow shovel. Whew. This is a lot of snow, y'all. Look. Not a word from anybody. It's so quiet out here. This is the Peggy snow. This Peggy snow, it's really wet. It's heavy. Let's go see what I've done in the tunnel. Ooh, it's super dark in here. Anyways, I've gotten this row that's empty. Gotten it tilled. Gonna do this row. It's empty up until here. We got leeks growing right here up. We got onions growing right here up. So the middle rows I can't do nothing with because they're full, as you can see. But the tilling will be done. Now I need to scrape the snow off of the roof so this won't cave in. And I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and y'all come back.